The United States Navy is the dominant Navy in the world and the dominant Navy in the NATO alliance. But given that fact, the United States Navy is comfortable in dealing within NATO. We've been doing it for decades, alongside very, very competent but smaller navies. I mean, the German Navy is excellent and first rate, the British Navy, the French Navy, the Italian Navy, and so on. Turkish Navy submarines, Spanish Navy carrier. These are very, very competent naval forces, although the navies are smaller than the American Navy. And so we feel very comfortable working with the Europeans. We feel very comfortable taking their advice. To the extent that Europeans can operate with American ships, we give Europeans command of American ships. And we've just, for example, finished up a tour where a German Navy ship accompanied an American aircraft carrier to the Indian Ocean to conduct operations there. Now, that was not a NATO operation, but because of how close we are, using NATO procedures, the ships were able to operate together and were able to practice together in a way that wouldn't have been the case had we not had the strong NATO alliance that we do.